Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Maswera say, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And something very important has been issued by Citizens Coalition for Change Youth Task Force. So a lot of people have been asking, actually, and Team Chamisa has now started to respond. And they held a press conference. The Youth Task Force held a press conference, and the administrator of the Youth Task Force addressed the nation. And there's something very important which we need to share here, and so that you hear for yourself where they are actually going.
We want to thank the electorate, the people of Zimbabwe, for voting for the alternative led by President African Nelson Chamisa in August, and in demonstrating their acknowledgement of captured state institutions on the 9th of December. We emphasize this point to thank the people of Zimbabwe in demonstrating that the state institutions are very much captured, as this was seen on the 9th of December. And we want to say thank you very much to Zimbabweans across all the constituencies where we by elections. A crystal clear picture has been painted on how captured our Zimbabwean institutions are. ZEC, the judicial system, ZRP, and other state institutions have been made docile to ZANU-PF, turning a blind eye on the swearing in of an illegitimate government. Representatives from our party have also been illegally recalled from both local and central governments with the help of the above mentioned and other state institutions. Now, we are aware of ZANU-PF agenda to try and steal the will of the people and undermine the role of the alternative in the country. We have noted fraudsters and criminals being used by the regime as political condoms to collapse the people's movement and aid a one-party state through illegal recalls. We are also highly concerned about the proposed 2024 national budget, which the Minister of Finance proposed. The budget is anti-people and far from solving the economic decay of our country. We therefore reject that budget and urge all our members of Parliament to ensure that they debate and reject that proposed budget. Now, as the governing party, the Citizens Coalition for Change, led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa, given the mandate by the people to lead and take the country forward, we want to send a very clear and a straightforward statement that we are the now and we are the future of this country, and we won't allow or let any barbaric organization formed and governed in Iran or to try and attack or despise the will of the people, specifically here, in this particular metropolitan province. Indeed, we are aware of Kukuraundi, but we won't allow the second Kukuraundi to happen in our province in form of recalls, in form of abductions, in form of torture and everything. As the young people who are ready to defend, advance and secure the future of generations to come. In conclusion, we want to send a clear message to the regime to reform as a matter of urgency and let the will of the people be respected and protected. Failure to do so, and I repeat, failure to do so, the streets shall be the unveiling of our struggle. Thank you very much.
So, according to Raphael Pasha Sebanda, Honorable, he has clearly indicated that they are going into the streets in the case that ZANU-PF fails to actually adhere to the demands which they have. They are going into the streets and they will be dealing with ZANU-PF in the street. This is a clear message from the Youth Task Force, and this is the beginning of the resistance. When Promise Nkwananze addressed the presser, he also indicated the same, that time for action has come. He indicated that time for Triple C to actually act has come, and this has been corroborated by the Youth Task Force Administrator, Honorable Pasha Raphael Sebanda. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. We are going to watch and see how things are going to unfold and how it is going to end in the nation of Zimbabwe.